This short video is going to show you how to change the links that you see up here in the nav bar. When a course is created in Brightspace, a template is automatically applied that's going to give you these links up here. And so there's two reasons why you might want to change that or make it your own. And so the first reason would be like maybe you don't do online discussions and you don't want this right here or online quizzing. The second reason is maybe you want your students to be funneled to do everything through content. And so they would still be doing the assignments through there, quizzes, discussions, things of that nature. Everything just happens through the content page. And so let me show you how to change that. And so if I hover on the nav bar here over to the right, I have these three dots. Click on Customize this nav bar. It's just going to make a copy. And you can call it anything you want right there. And when you start deleting links, the one that you definitely don't want to delete is like course admin here. If you do that, you're probably going to be calling me. But I'm going to delete assignments, discussions, because I'm going to have my students funneled everything through the content page. I'm going to leave class list and grades and class progress. I'm going to delete these other ones right there. And I'm going to save and close. And so now, oops, I meant to delete intelligent agents is there as well. So let me go back and edit that again. Where did that go? Here we go. And so now that's a really stripped down version of what you saw like originally. And so now, like in this case, students would go to content for everything. I can still do my build here, insert assignments. If I go to course admin right here, I can still build assignments and build quizzes. Students don't see this back end, but they just see this stripped down version up here. And so sometimes, depending on how your course is designed, that can be a potential benefit. If I had to go back and change this, or if I wanted to use the original nav bar that came with it, once again, I can just go to those three dots and click on Manage All Course Nav Bars. And instead of the copy right here, the active nav bar, I could go ahead and go back and change that and apply. And that gets me back to the very beginning of what it looks like. So that's how you'd go about, changing those links up in your nav bar. Thank you and have a good day.